Hey! Jesus. How far now?
Wait, come, where you from?
From Nigeria, Bayelsa State.
Oh God, I don't tire for all this Bayelsa Nigeria people. No, you're not the... Sweden no fit come here, US no fit come here. Okay, wetin carry you come now?
Roger, now wetin carry me come here now? Something dey pain my belle since now. Say me come ask you this question. This question now I need to ask you before I come over here.
So wetin be the question now?
Like this question I ask you now. The day wey dem born you, as you go back to heaven, you go and announce say that 25 December say make people buy bag of fries. Oh, men dey do women head. Because the thing now don tire me, especially for Nigeria. Like this now, people like us will get like 5 girlfriends there. When you reach that December 25, we need to do their head, we need to buy bag of fries. If you don't burn it, you buy those children their clothes. And the thing now like this now, don't tire me. The girls be say they want carry warrior ski. Who the boys will not rest again. Like this now, Black Jesus, all the girls, they're them and net, and they can run from this effort like this.
Black Jesus, I can't tell you something. This guy wey dey come complain for you say get plenty girlfriends so. Me sef I be one of those girlfriends dem. No be me tell am say make you go get plenty o. I no find this am na im make I be. No shake me. Dem go tell you say whether December don reach so whether you like am or not, you go still make my hair. Buy me Christmas cloth make I look good. Period.
Black Jesus, see this here. I want to tell you that too. If I feel get where I feel happy, I sleep the break like sleep the January 2nd say I go dey happy because I'm not ready to go back to that end like this. Go suffer that suffer. I beg, do something. I beg. Black Jesus, do something for me. I beg.
I don't tire for all these Nigerian people. Who did now drama una just act for heaven like this oh. Film now una just act. Jesus. I don't tire for these Nigerian people at all. All of una, I don't tire for una. The day when they born me, I don't tell anybody say make they go buy bag of rice or bag of beans. Even Nigerian people, I don't hear them sins. All these girls, I don't hear them sins. Their own not even worse pass. People don't say they go celebrate my birth self. It's not supposed to be the way Nigeria they celebrate. But then I see you now when say you get 5 girlfriends. See that one wey carry her life come here. She never even know since I ever she come herself. She just waka. Even if you go do air for herself, that air now she go inside go all the party wey dey this life. Dance all the party, dance everywhere. And another air wey she carry so, then she go still carry come here. And if she reach here, go still judge her matter put. So you just carry your own life come up for here. We no get where you go sleep till January 2nd o. Abeg go face your responsibility. Carry your life come up for here.
I no wan go this earth o. I no wan go this earth.
No go the earth now. Come sleep. See your head. All these Nigerian people, I don tire for them. Abeg make dem carry their wahala get out.